Welcome to my kitchen with an accent. Today I'm gonna cook delicious and extremely caramel dessert. It will be the caramel cupcakes with a caramel filling and a caramel buttercream. As a caramel is the common ingredient for all parts of our cupcakes, let's start from cooking it. There are 3 detailed caramel recipes on my channel, so just follow the links in the description box and cook 300 grams of the caramel. And now let's cook the cupcakes. We will need butter, sugar, an egg, caramel, milk, wheat flour, and baking powder. Add 95 grams of butter and 95 grams of sugar to the bowl and mix it to smooth paste. Then add other ingredients and whisk well after every addition. An egg, (95 grams of the caramel), (60 grams of milk), (195 grams of wheat flour) and 7 grams of baking powder. The dough should be smooth and soft. Place the dough in the piping bag and distribute it evenly into the cupcakes papers and bake for 12 or 15 minutes at 160 Celsius degrees or until golden and springy to the touch. Then let them cool down. It's time to cook amazingly soft caramel buttercream. For the cream we need butter, Confectioners sugar, the caramel, and cream cheese. Beat 140 grams of the butter with 8 grams of the Confectioners sugar. Then add 140 grams of the caramel. Once you beat the mixture for a few minutes, add 280 grams of the cream cheese and beat for about a minute on the lowest. Place the buttercream in a piping bag fitted to a large open star tip. All components for the cupcakes are ready and it means that we can assemble them right now. First of all, core the center of the cupcakes. I usually use a large piping tip for this. Now fill the core with the caramel, and then pipe buttercream generously on top. Generally, the cupcakes are ready, but we can add some decoration. This step is only up to you. If you decide to ice the cupcakes, then put them into the freezer compartment for an hour. At this time, cook a chocolate icing. To make it, melt 160 grams of milk chocolate in a small bowl and add 40 grams of oil. Then give it a whisk to incorporate them and let cool to room temperature. Take out the cupcakes from the freezer compartment and cover them with a chocolate icing that way that you prefer, and enjoy, not wasting time. Приятного аппетита!